In this guide, we're going over how you can farm Easter keys here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you already need these keys to summon the Great Mage Boss, which drops items like the Mana Core, the Spell Echoes, and other high tier rewards. But the main method is actually on Easter Island. You just gotta farm these little bunny NPCs just like so. Just go around killing them and stacking keys. Now the important part though is your build. You need to focus on luck instead of damage, since higher luck increases your drop chances, and with a good setup and an AFK macro, you can get around 3 to 4 keys every 10 minutes. If you already have a lot of Easter eggs as well, you can actually make your way over to these two little NPCs. They spawn right over here, and you can actually open up the Easter upgrades just like so. And then in here, if you scroll down, you can actually trade in your keys as well. But obviously first you have to do the full quest by finding all 7 Easter eggs on the map, and then of course after that you unlock the conversion system. But that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.